Welcome to ABC 123 Trader. All forms of trading carry a high level of risk, so you should only speculate with money you can afford to lose. You can lose more than your initial deposit and stake. Please ensure your chosen method matches your investment objectives. Familiarize yourself with the risk involved, and if necessary, seek independent advice. U.S. Government required disclaimer, Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Trading financial instruments of any kind, including options, futures, and securities, have large potential rewards but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risk and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the options, futures, and stock markets. Don't trade money you can't afford to lose.
Good morning, everybody. Mr. Mike here. It's 9 minutes before the open. December 29th, 2022. Let's start taking a look at the futures day. Might be an up day, interestingly enough. They are not trying to break that level. So let's take a look at the news and see what's happening here. Nothing really happening. 11 o'clock business confidence, natural gas stock exchange. So there's nothing really happening. Continuous jobs claims. So jobless claims actually revised. So the jobs claims were actually higher and the market goes up. Figure that out. Are they happy that there was not that much more of an increase? I don't know. Previous forecast actual, all the same for December 17th to December 24th. So, whatever the information is coming out of that zone, and then what we'll look here, I have to double verify this, it doesn't make sense to me. But they're saying, let me see if the numbers are straight. 894 and 893. Oh, that's right on the money. So they're saying we went up 119 points, so up 1%. Usually if it's 1%, we're going up another percent today, guys. It usually happens that way. But we will double check. So other than that, is everything else? Tech collapse next day, diverted customers' money. Even though we're in a sell phase, we'll find out. So we did have a nice big bump, a couple of baby order blocks here. We're hitting this really heavy zone here. So we really have to watch this level here. So what's the close price there? 915. So we're almost at that close price. If we pop through, we're going to go to the next level. Maybe we can have another double block here and get into this zone here. Okay? Second thing, let's see. We are finally curling around after those past couple of days. Didn't look like it wanted to break down any farther. We're trying to break through. We do have, let's see here. How steep is the slope? Oh, that's a steep slope. Well, it is. It's following that slope, if you really think about it. Look at bang, bang, bang. This one's a little off. Let's go. I'll move this one up to there. Something like that. Right there. That was the last slope. So we're just crossing through the slope. But we need a ways to go up. There's a nice big gap here. Next thing what we're going to do is we're going to take a look, and sure enough, we're crossing the baseline. We are in the buy phase here. Everything just switched over. Maybe we might get a snap down. If it is the case, we got to run her to you guys. Look at this. It's inverted. I'm actually quite excited on this. So it looks like, let's look what happened at market open, see if she pops up, and away we go again. I might take a morning pop-up trade. We'll go up to 89, maybe a 100-point move. There is major consolidation here, see? At 917, if I remember from a few days ago. If we break that, then we'll hit this zone up here to 8, 9, 10. Let's see what that ruler is. Let's say we get into this consolidation zone here. That's a 150-point move today, guys. Okay, so we know basically exactly what's happening here. We'll have to see if there's a nice crash down to 835. So 835 is basically the Fibonacci 50% zone. We'll see the buy-sell pressure on that. 52. Yeah, there's more buying than selling right now. We'll have to see if they can break through the zone. It might be really chattery. And then we can get the 990 here. So we'll find out. And what we're going to do, we'll just change the workspaces. There we go. I want to get back to that workspace, and I'm going to close this one. There we we go, just to save the data. And what we're going to do is we're going to wait and see if she works. Now let's see if she goes up here. This is the area of concern here. So 899.15. If we do that, then we're popping through. And I'm gonna watch if this thing works really nice. We've got a runner today. What's the 9:46 again? That's our peak time, and then it looks like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Alrighty, and 4 minutes. We'll see what happens. We're 15 minutes before, or 15 seconds before the open, and let's see which direction it's going to go. Buy sell pressure is, find out here right away. There's a little more buying than selling right now, but we'll see if she's going to push down, hit the 2 stop outs. I'm going to look at a couple of items here. Everything's still pointing down right now, so we're going to find out right away here. We are in market open right now. Let's see what the volume is going to shake out on. Quite even right now. So let him whip the candle, see if it pushes down back to volume point of control. We can actually go like this. Let's put a buy limit down here really low.
Order submitted.
Where's the 70% zone? So it is a big 70% gap here. We're going to take a conservative line here. I think it's going to hit this zone here personally, but we'll find out. Maybe they'll just push it down, come back up, but there is way more buying going on right now. What I can do is I can go buy stop market at 905 here.
Order submitted.
So we have either or.
Sell NQ.
We have a big gap here. This one I'm taking conservative move. If it drops down, grabs it, comes back up, because it looks like it is pointing down right now. We are 2.25. When this thing gets to 0, can do a curl and a turnaround here. So we'll find out. Everything is still pointing down, and we'll go from there. And I chose this line here as this is volume point of technically volume point of control is down here, but most of the volume was right in this zone here. Or this is actually like a swing, a pop-up swing. So. So 89 to 72, we're just giving it a nice big gap here. If it breaks here, then I know we can sell, but I just wanted to get down as far as possible. Oh, look at volume point of control just moved up, so that one's canceled. Boop.
Order canceled.
So all the volume's up in this zone now. So if we break up, we can maybe go up ahead. We'll find out. I'm still trying to get down to this area. Yeah, she's still pushing down for a while. We'll give it some time. What is the buy sell pressure? Very close. It's only within a couple of hundred, so there's nothing major happening right now. I'll let him keep on pushing aggressively here. Now this is the area where I thought maybe he can do a bounce. Or is she going to blast through? The next section is going to be this area. We're at 0.19 here, so this is going straight down. What was the lowest on this? So if it does do a little curl, we might be able to get a retracement back to the volume point of control. And I'll wait till 9:46 if that's the case. You know, the funny thing is the volume is not much difference, guys. There's not a big spread here, so we're just going to wait for them to play around here. So they started from market open from 86 to 72. It's actually not much of a spread, so that's a good thing. I think they just wanted to get a cheaper price for the reversal. We'll find out. We'll find out right away. There is a red diamond though, which I don't like. And if she blasts through here, area I'm interested in, if it does go up today, I need to break 1920, that's the only problem.
Order filled.
Well, we're off to the races. Let's see if I can get at least a couple $100 here. I'm gonna watch the other screen. 130. Darn it, 40. 70. Negative 100. She's bouncing all over the place here. 155. I'm doing another punch up again. They're holding at negative 130. Let them break through. Negative 80. Negative 25. Negative 105. Yeah, they're holding right on that line. She'll blast through the 70% zone. We're just breaking through. Come on, don't fall again. Oh, numbers are higher there than what I see in mine. A lot more buying going in. Finally, negative $5. Negative plus 50. Plus 90. Plus 115.
By opportunity.
Should have closed there until I figure it out. No, she's going to blast through. Let it blast through.
Order filled.
I'll shut that one down for now. For $155 for today, I need to break that one line of the 113. This is where that zone is, that where a lot of consolidation is. I want to see if we can blast right through it, but it's going to take a few seconds here. Once we break through, we can go for it again. What's the volume right now? Yeah, we got way more buying pressure going on. She's ready to pop, but I don't want to get stuck of the whippiness. We're at 22 points a minute right now. Now we're breaking through. Okay, so we just broke through. Yeah, I'm going to go for it again.
Order filled.
Okay, now what hopefully we can do is we can really rock this thing now. 35, 50, it's really going slow today. Come on, push it up, it's going to go again. There we go. So close. Go up again.
Order filled.
Son of a gun, I shut it down. Okay. I was trying to get it. I was at on my other data, it was around $450. Right now, what I do is I do have a blue diamond here I gotta watch out for, and this could be just a pullback. We're at the 915. That's a good bit for today, guys. Only $195, unfortunately. It'll probably still pop up more. We do have a gap to the 127 line. We might go up to the 1960 here, but she's just really choppy for some reason for me. They're still hitting the quarter mark. Other than that, if you have any questions, feel free to email me at abc123trader. Pinpoint your trades. Trade safe. Have a good one. Bye.